house apartment with 1 bedroom sa Imus City, Cavite. Hello everyone! So ito po yung bahay, i-check natin. May sarili po itong metro ng kuryente at tubig at kung mapapansin ninyo, pwede rin kayong magtindahan. Kung meron kayong sasakyan, pwedeng mag-street parking. Maluwag yung kalsada, inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Malapit lang din sa highway, may malapit na school, market, lahat po, malapit po sa lahat. House apartment sa Imus City, Cavite. With 1 bedroom, ito pong kulay green. At kung nakikita ninyo, maganda yung bahay, maganda yung location.